from Shanghai Teaching Machine Company. Right now, I'm in Robinson Pharmacy Company in Los Angeles, United States. We have 3 technicians here installing 7 gummy lines of 600 model. Each line capacity can reach 600 kilos per hour. Now I will introduce you our 600 model gummy line. So first we start from here. We will lift here the pectin powder and the granulated sugar together into that weighing system. And here we will weigh the water from this water flow gauge to weigh it together with those 2 powders and then into this dissolving tank. After dissolving all the ingredients together, we will discharge it from this pneumatic valve and all the pipes equipped with the filtering system. And then the syrup will convey into this storage tank. Every storage tank we will equip with this level sensor so that it will control when to convey the syrup and when to stop the syrup. After the pectin dissolving, here, this is the second pectin gel weighing and dissolving system. We will weigh the pectin gel together with the glucose syrup into this dissolving tank. And after we dissolve this gel, we will convey into this storage tank. From here, we will convey the dissolved syrup into this film, the resin film cooker. Here, we will heat the syrup from bottom to the top in a fast speed to ensure that the syrup will not get any overburn issue and make sure the syrup stable quality. And after the resin film cooker, it will convey into this working cooker. This working cooker will cook the syrup in a lower temperature, which can take out the bubbles out and ensure the concentrate moisture. After that, all the syrup will convey into this batch CFA system. You can see here we have the color, flavor, acid, and with all the other functional ingredients, we can weigh them together into these 2 tanks with the syrup. And then all the syrup mixed with all the CFA and functional ingredients will convey into this storage tank. From the storage tank, we can directly pump into the depositing system. Let's take a look at this spraying system. We will control the oil spray separately via 80 pieces spraying devices. Each time spraying is 2 rows. And here, our depositing system, this is our new depositing system. Instead of installing the driving system into the frame, now we install the driving system into this depositor itself. So it can ensure the high precision depositing and less wearing. And then after the depositing of the syrup, it will go directly to this cooling system. After cooling, we can equip with the oil coater or the sugar coater. So this is the whole gummy line system of 600 kilo per hour. If you have any questions or need for this gummy candy line, please feel free to contact with us. Thank you.